guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to show you a company called Designs.Ai. This website, you can make your own logos and videos. So first, you just want to go to the home page. So I'm just going to click the home page, and this will pop up. You got Logomaker, Videomaker, Graphic Maker, Social Calendar, Font, Font, and Color Matcher. So I'm going to start off with Logomaker. So I'm going to type in my company name, which is Marisa Cosmetics. So after that, I'm just going to hit get started. So it can't be more than 20 characters, so I'm just going to leave it at Marisa Cosmetics. I'm going to start off by choosing an icon, and I'm going to choose what category my business is in. After that, I'm going to type in my slogan, and this is completely optional. So my slogan is Best Glitter Lip Gloss. So I'm just going to choose which ones I like. You can choose up to 5. So I'm going to choose, let's see, I'm going to choose these. Then I'm going to hit next. And I'm going to choose a color that I like. Here are the different colors. There are a lot of options. As you can see, I'm going to choose Magic Twist. I'm going to hit next. And then it's going to allow me to choose which logo I like. I really like all of these. These are so pretty. I'm just going to choose, let's go with, I don't know guys, this is so hard. I kind of like that one. I like that one. Okay, let me just choose one. Man, this is tough. Let's just go with that one. Okay, so I chose one. So now here are the designs that it has came up with. You can load more. So as you can see, these designs are very professional and so pretty. Again, these are completely free designs. This is a free plan. There are paid plans where you can download the certain files so you can edit them. So I'm just going to choose one. I think I'm going to go with, I kind of like that one. So you can choose multiple. So I'm going to choose that one, and these. So we're going to save the logo. So here are the logos right here. So I can click one, I can edit it, or I can buy it. So you can change the icon, you can change the font. As you can see, there are different fonts you can choose, which is very cool. Oh, that's pretty. They have a lot you can choose from, guys. You can also change the colors. Like, now that is pretty. I like that. Different colors you can choose from, as you can see. You hit show more and it'll load you some more colors. Oh, that's even prettier, so I'm going to stick with that one. You can also change the icon. You can change the name. You can change a lot. So after it's perfect, you can just hit finish. And there's your logo. Now to save this, you have to buy it. So I'm going to select buy. And here are the prices. So you can download a sample of either one. So you can pay the basic plan, which is $19. And you'll get one basic logo project, unlimited drafts, over 10,000 icons, over 1,000 fonts, no watermarks. You get vector files with transparent background and print-ready SVG and PNG files. Or you can get the premium plan, which you can get a lot more, and you get more files that you can play around with. So that is how the Designs Logomaker works. You can also just do a regular text. You don't have to choose an icon. So for example, I'm going to redo it. So I'm going to type in my name again. Man, I cannot spell today. Okay. So I'm just going to choose, let's do initials. I'm not going to do the other one. So I'm just going to type in beauty. But as you can see, they have a lot of different categories. It doesn't have to be beauty or anything like that. So I'm just going to type in beauty again. Going to hit next. I'm going to type in my slogan. No, I'm not going to do a slogan this time so you guys can get a feel of what it will look like. So choose which ones I like. I like these. So I'm going to hit next. I'm going to choose color. I'm going to choose blue this time. We can always change that later. And so here are some of the designs that it has come up with, which are very pretty and professional. This is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just going to choose, I like that one too. I'm going to choose those. Again, you can always change the font and the color. So pick one to start editing. I'm going to choose, man, this is hard. Let's just go with that one. It's so hard for me to choose. So I'm going to change this font. Yeah, you can play around with the fonts. I love me a cursive font, guys. So that's perfect for me. But there's so much more you can choose from. So let's just go with that for now. Let's say I hate the color and I want to change it. So I'm going to change the color to green. Something like that. I hate green. Let me stop playing. Let's go back to blue. So yeah, these are very pretty, very professional. And I'm going to hit finish once I'm done. And then once I'm done, I can just buy it. Again, I can buy the basic plan or I can buy the premium plan. So yep, that's pretty much how the Logomaker works. So now I'm going to go to the Videomaker. So I'm going to Videomaker right here. That's going to load. Make sure you're using Chrome, by the way, Google Chrome. So here are the ones that I've started. I'm just going to redo it. I'm going to start a new one. So I'm going to do insert text script. Title of the video. Let's just put Marisa Cosmetics. It doesn't matter for right now. Subscribe. Visit us. So you can type what you want to say and then do like a whole voiceover. So I'm going to say, hi, I'm not going to do any caps for this. Hi, my name is Marisa and I am doing I'm telling y'all I cannot spell today, a review on Designs.AI. I love it because it is so easy and simple to use. Done. It doesn't have to be long, it could be short. Once I'm finished doing that, I'm going to hit the next one. So let's not put Marisa Cosmetics. Let's just put Marisa K. And let's put subscribe. Or thanks for watching. Okay. And I can't make up my mind. So hit the arrow. Give it a second to load. You want to select the category. You can do entertainment as media. That's fine. But as you can see, they have a lot of different categories. So I'm going to hit next. You can choose which size what size video you want. If you're doing a YouTube video, you always want to choose a landscape. I'm going to choose a color. You know my favorite color is pink. The text, I want the text to be white. So, but then I want it to be like pink. I don't know. It don't even matter for right now. So yeah, choose the color you want. This is fine. So I'm going to hit next. You can choose the mood for your video. They have bold, calm, chill, happy. They have a lot. So I'm going to choose happy. Now, my favorite part. It doesn't even have to be an English voiceover. You can choose which language you want. But for this video, we're going to keep it in English. Now, you can also choose an accent. I love me a British accent. So they have English, British, Australian. So you already know. I'm going with Brian because he has a British accent. So that's what we're going with. And you can test the sound.
This is my voice sample.
So yeah, or you can go to Amy.
Welcome to Videomaker. This is my voice sample.
Kind of like her voice too. Let's see. We can do. Let's try Russell.
Welcome to Videomaker. This is my voice sample.
Yeah, we're going with Brian. So I'm gonna hit Brian. I'm gonna hit next. But I like all the voices now. All the voices are very nice. But I just love me a British accent. That's just me. So give that a second to load, and then here we are. So you wanna upload your images or video if that's what you want to do. You can also add your own logo. So for right now, I'm going to stick with the image. I'm going to upload an image. This video is already up there. You don't want to hit download. I keep hitting that on accident. You want to hit select. So that's the first video. So I'm not sure why it's sideways, but you can always change that. Let's see, like that. And then you can always resize it. So yeah, it's gonna look a little funny, but you just have to play around and just resize it how you want it to it'll fit. You can also edit your name. You can also choose one of these. It doesn't have to be that, so that's cute. You can add audio. You can also add video, things like that. So I'm gonna play it and show you guys what it sounds like.
Hi, my name is Marisa and I am doing a review on Designs.Ai. I love it because it is so easy and simple to use.
So yeah, that's an example of what it will look like. Again, you'll just add your own photos, slash videos by hitting videos, upload a video, or you can choose animations that they have and things like that. You can hit like. It's so much you can do with this, guys. So you just tap it and it'll pop up right here in the video. You can always remove it. So I thought that was really, really cool. But yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. So if you guys really like this website, again, their website is called Designs.Ai. You can make your own videos on here, slash edit your own videos, and design your own logo. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will leave the information down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video.